Oh yeah, isn't that something? Oh yeah. I take pictures of this all day long. Yeah. Oh yeah, then it turns into Santa Claus and the flower reading the book. Alright, okay. Yeah, it's just amazing. Look at that. Some of these paintings, that's a dog, right? Looks like a boy beating a drum, doesn't it? Or somebody, I ain't got my glasses on. There's somebody's getting down like Charlie now. And there's the eagle. Look at that. Hey, what do you say there? I don't even know if I want to put this on. So. You got this guy, look at it. Yeah, all I'm doing is just slowly rolling the closer. Oh yeah, and you got dogs and puppies and men. Bear.